And it's a full house today. Actually, you know, I've met them in bits and parts, but I've actually found all three of them together. The master performer who's become the master dancer also, thanks to the master himself sitting right here. And of course, the lady in the middle who's looking stunning. Nidhi, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for
I keep meeting these gentlemen all the time, Tiger.
Yep,
Always a pleasure.
Thank you.
Nawaz bhai. So the thing is, why we call him the master dancer, we'll tell you later. But it's a very, very interesting performance, to get the three of them together. Why I say performances? Tiger, are you sometimes worried that dunya se ye janti hai and they know, of course, that you're a brilliant dancer? Is there a level that you will not be able to cross after a point? I mean, there are only that many breaks that you can do, right?
I'm totally afraid. I hope that day never comes.
No, but is there Indian classical something? Tell me what dance form is difficult. This was a big question that people threw at me.
Well, for me, classical Indian is very difficult. Although if I work hard at something, I manage well. But I haven't really studied typical Bollywood style like what Ganesh Acharya offers with like Govinda and all that grace and that ease.
Yeah, actually that's a little different.
Yeah, that's a little different.
Nawaz bhai, आपके लिए वो ज़्यादा easy है या ये जो कर रहे थे आपके साथ?
मेरे लिए दोनों ही difficult हैं.
Actually, you know, so एक बात में मुझे अनुराग ने बताई थी. He told me this कि Nawaz is the strongest man in the Bollywood industry, size-wise. Okay, he said you're very strong, very supple, and you can do any kind of movement because you're very light on your feet. Now I'll ask your teacher, is he very light on his feet? सच बताइए.
नहीं सच बताओ तो he's got a physically he's quite fit, you know. He may not look like, you know, like
he's very fit,
but he's very fit.
Yeah.
तो बहुत ही मेहनती actor है. He puts a lot of hard work into everything he does, not just the performance. Everybody knows he's a brilliant actor.
Yeah.
And the way he's worked at whatever little dance we've achieved, you know, it's phenomenal. For a non-dancer at the age of, I don't want to say his age,
60.
but you know, but at this age to pick up dancing, I think he's done a fantastic job. और character के हिसाब से नाचते, which is very interesting.
ये सबको prove करने के लिए किया कि मुझे करना ही है ऐसे. नहीं कई बार ऐसे होता है ना, टिक मार के कुछ किया नहीं मैंने कभी शायद ऐसा डांस. हालांकि देवडी में किया था हल्का सा वो.
हाँ वो हल्का सा किया.
वो बड़ा फनी जोन था. बट ये क्या इसलिए था ये टिक मार्क और मानना था कि एक मुझे डांस परफॉर्मेंस भी करना है?
नहीं इसलिए तो नहीं किया था. डांस परफॉर्मेंस करना है, जो कि जब हमने काम करना शुरू किया था तो मुझे नहीं मालूम था इसमें मेरा डांस नंबर भी है, डांस है कोई.
अच्छा.
हाँ तो बाद में जब बताया तो मुझे बुखार चढ़ गया. ये सब मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा ये वो सब. बट साबिर भाई का जो था कि करवाना है कैसे भी, तो बट ये था मुझे भी लगा कि यार अनकम्फर्ट जोन है मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंज है ये, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी रियल लाइफ में भी नहीं किया. तो थोड़ा फेंक के देखते हैं अपने आप को वहाँ पे उस एरिया में. तो लेट्स सी देखते हैं क्या.
बट यू नेवर गेट नर्वस अबाउट एनीथिंग?
नहीं मैं पूरी रात सो नहीं पाया था एक्चुअली.
I would ask you. Yes, of course. And I would not say the debutant. Let's just put it this way. I'm really happy to see you in this. You're so incredibly confident everywhere.
Oh God.
The dance is perfect. Acting तो जितनी हमने ट्रेलर में देखी उतनी perfect
लगी ना?
बिल्कुल अच्छी लगी है. और मैं दुनिया साक्षी है कि मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोल सकता except for a few artists. Anyway, so we'll say now you're telling me was he nervous?
Yeah, because I think he performed this dance when I was on set and he was really nervous. Like he was like, listen, please patience रखना हाँ. मैंने ऐसे party में
it's all an act, it's all an act.
Yeah, so he was very.
He's one of those students जो ना पूरी किताब शायद रट के आते होंगे एग्जाम में जाके ना. मैंने तो कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है आज. I don't know नहीं क्वेश्चन क्या है. नवाज भाई, when you came on board इस पिक्चर में मैंने ट्रेलर जब देखा था ये तो उड़ ही रहे थे. आप भी बीच में उड़ रहे हैं बड़े. तो ये वायर वर्क पहले कभी इतना तो नहीं किया है ना. ये घूमना, this lot the action in this even in Gangs of Wasseypur was very real action. इसमें जो एक्शन है हवा में सबको उड़ा रहे हैं. सो ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था या फिर ये भी थोड़ा एक नया जोन था कि नहीं?
बहुत मुश्किल था, बहुत मुश्किल था. हाँ.
नहीं मुश्किल नहीं था क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं.
I didn't think it was when I क्योंकि इनके साथ एक एक्शन सीक्वेंस था मेरा. So when I saw him perform action as well, I felt like, you know, this is like a second nature to him as well. He's a very holistic actor, you know, and he can well off do a mainstream commercial film, if you ask me, as a solo main lead. I mean, the way he did action that day, it's not just about the body language, it's about the expression that he also carries off, you know. I mean, at the end of the day, we're actors.
So when this casting happens, you know, he's got a great run for last as many years as we can, you know. So, you know, and I keep saying this also, you know, there are certain actors in the Bollywood industry that were all over the acting performances. You know, when I saw Manji the Mountain Man, I told him also, he carried the whole film. That had nothing in the film, except for him.
Yeah.
So there's this pressure that he also has to carry on his shoulder every time.
Right.
You also have to carry this pressure on your shoulder. So when the two of you met and you knew of this casting, were you a little nervous of knowing that you would have to perform in front of him?
I was so nervous and petrified of performing in front of such a veteran senior artist. I mean, खासकर performance की बात अगर करें तो मैं जैसे मैं कह रहा था हमेशा से मैं कुछ उनके सामने, you know, because of him being such a great performer, I think he's just upped my game because he gives me different reactions, so that brings out something different from me. So it's at the end of the day, to make a scene come alive, we need that.
Of course, chemistry between all actors. Yeah.
So it's because of him being such a great actor, just helped the both of us up our games as well.
And this beautiful lady sitting right next to you.
Yeah.
The first time you saw her on
Say
screen.
good things about.
Don't worry, I always do. I mean it, yeah.
Yeah.
The first time I saw her on screen, I thought, you know, she kept telling me, Tiger, I'm so nervous. Yeah, it's my first day. This.
So that's one thing I don't believe. I think she's lying because she doesn't look nervous at all
Absolutely.
for anything.
So when the camera started rolling, you know, all of that just seemed to disappear, and it felt like she was, you know, she's been training for years for.
So, but have you been training for years, forever? Bachpan mein house?
No, I've just always wanted to be an actor, but it's not really possible for a normal girl to become an actor. But I mean now it is because I have.
No, so when you performed the first time, you say, this is...
No, so the first thing I performed was my introduction song in the film, which is the first time people see me. So I'm a trained ballet dancer, and the first step I had to do was balance on my foot, and I couldn't do that. And I went to the side, spoke to myself for 2 minutes. I was like, you've got till here, you can do this, don't worry. Took a few deep breaths, and then I did it.
Wow, and we can't make out at all that there was anything. So now you've got Tiger in there. Were you nervous? Because this gymnast slash trapeze artist slash karate kid slash Michael Jackson, everything.
I was very nervous, but he's been very sweet and very supportive. You know, he really helped me and taught me. I didn't even know what a mark was when I went on my first day. Like, that's how technically challenged I was.
No, it's fine actually. It's on the third day of shooting, I think you realize everything. सिर्फ माँ की तो पता करना होता है, उसके बाद तो acting करनी है.
Like, अभी Jimmy Jib shot है. I don't know what a Jimmy Jib shot is, you know. So, but everything, Tiger's been extremely helpful. I'll always.
Your mom and dad, when they see you on the big screens, and the hoarding comes out of the daughter. First reaction, did they go and click 1,000 selfies?
They did that with one of my ads recently, and they were sending me pictures, but they're extremely happy. They came for our trailer launch, and they were sitting right there. It's a really big moment for all of us, you know, because it seems like an unreachable sort of place to be in, but they're extremely emotional.
No, a lot of people reach there, but then वो फीके हो जाते हैं, and that was not the case. Yes. This is the first film. Sometimes a lot of people ask me, पहली film है क्या? नहीं,
but this is one thing Sabar sir told me, that he wants people to say after they watch the film that it should not look like it's a first film.
No, your face also, they were saying, नहीं देखा है यार इसको. I said नहीं, no, it could possibly.
In a good way.
Of course, in a good way.
Then it's okay.
And then of course Nawaz के साथ एक senior Nawaz जी अब लग चुका है सर. Bollywood industry को कैसे तोड़ते हैं? I think you've been an inspiration to millions of people. I am so upset with you. आपने अभी तक आपके ऊपर एक किताब क्यों किसी को लिखने नहीं दी है? Do you know the kind of?
नहीं, अभी इतना I don't think so कि इतना कुछ अभी
यार कमाल करते हो आप.
मेरी अगर शुरुआत देखी जाए तो 2012 से हुई है, क्योंकि उसमें फिल्म जो है उसी में ही आई थी, जो तीन फिल्में जो आई.
सिर्फ 5 साल ही हुए तब से?
सिर्फ 5 साल ही हो, तो मैं तो अभी टाइगर की तरह न्यू कमर हूँ.
No, but it's amazing. अभी आजकल जो सिलेक्शन ऑफ फिल्म्स ऑफर हो रही है, आजकल नवाज ना कैसे बोल पाते हैं? मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि हर कोई बोलता है. अब एक ऐसे आप वो हो गए हो कि नवाज के साथ, जैसे श्रीदेवी जी ने हमें स्वयं कहा और बिफोर यू के इंटरव्यू में कहा, नवाज जी की डेट नहीं मिल रही थी हमें, कुछ महीनों का के लिए हमें वेट करना पड़ा. एंड देन वंस ही गेव द डेट्स, वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग फॉर मॉम. So, and by the time this interview would have come out, also mom would have come out, and people would have again written great things about him. लेकिन अब ना कैसे कर पाते हो अगर पिक्चर पसंद नहीं आई तो?
बहुत सारे बहाने झूठ बोलने पड़ते हैं. डेट बिजी हूँ.
लेकिन लोगों को पता नहीं लगता होगा.
पैसा बढ़ा देते हैं. अच्छा. तो मुझे पता है शायद नहीं दे पाएंगे.
और अगर बाय मिस्टेक दे दिया तो
फिर डेट में बिजी कर देता हूँ अपने आप को.
अरे वाह.
तो बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं एक्टर के पास, तो उसको पता होता है हथकंडे मार.
बट अभी क्या नवाज ऑफ 5 years बैक एंड नवाज ऑफ नाउ में सबसे बड़ा चेंज आपको क्या लगता है आप में आ गया है?
मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई चेंज मेरे अंदर आया, बट हाँ थोड़ा ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि फिल्में कर रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा बिजी शेड्यूल ज़्यादा हो गया, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो कुछ ऐसा कुछ चेंज आया है.
बट दिस इज अ ड्रीम दैट आई हैव नोन यू फॉर सो लॉन्ग दैट यू नो you saw this dream and you saw it being realized in front of you. I've known him for many years now, and now that he's become a superstar and you know he's become one of those big stars that people almost like you know an acid test. नवाज को तुमने मैच कर लिया तो this works. इसमें कई बार do you feel a little bit shocked with the kind of you know भार that you have to carry? भैया एक्टिंग का ये जो है ना, he is the acid test. इनके साथ अगर मैच कर लिया तो सही हो गया फिर.
मुझे तो बहुत ही लाइक ये सारी चीज़ें सोचते बहुत वो अजीब सा लगता है, क्योंकि मैं जब हम लोग जब परफॉर्मेंस भी कर रहे थे, सीन कर रहे थे, तो मैं कभी भी ये सोच के करूँगा ना तो मैं एक्सपोज हो जाऊँगा बहुत जल्दी, क्योंकि मुझे हर चीज़ बहुत ही लाइक अगर मेरे सामने मेरा कोई एक्टर है और हम कोई सीन कर रहे हैं तो मुझे प्रॉपर रेस्पेक्ट देनी पड़ेगी कि कहीं अगर मैंने टेक ऑन फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लिया तो मुझे पता है कि उसी दिन से डाउनफॉल शुरू हो जाएगा आपकी परफॉर्मेंस का, क्योंकि कोई एक्टर को कभी आप अंडरस्टिमेट नहीं कर सकते।
नहीं बिल्कुल,
क्योंकि आपको नहीं मालूम कि थर्ड पर्सन पे या कैमरे के थ्रू किस तरीके से चीज़ें निकल के आ रही हैं।
That's very true actually. You know, I've always said this also. You've got such a large fan base, you know, and he's got a large fan base. You've got such a large fan base. Whenever you see, and there are lots of things. There are three things that I'll say that, you know, sometimes can be hurtful. People sometimes say that he's a one-dimensional actor.
Sure.
How a normal human being, you know, you see your films are making money, and you're saying one-dimensional, and yet the films are making money. How does one put that in perspective? Do you just brush that off? And I know because it's,
no, I mean,
you're realistic about it.
I think it's very important to acknowledge the criticism because.
But is that tough? I mean, do you ever sit and feel bad about that? You know?
No, I prefer, you know, keep your friends close but your enemies closer.
Yeah.
You know, so that's the only way you're going to grow, if you listen to what your weaknesses are and to eventually eliminate those. I mean, what's the point if you're, like you said, doing the same thing over and over again?
It gets boring.
You know, it gets boring. And how much can you keep delivering the same thing? But I'd also like to add, you know, that if the character, no matter how I must have portrayed it, if the characters didn't click with the audiences, they wouldn't be whistling or cheering for me for, you know, let's say, for example, a cliched example, saving the heroine.
Yes.
Right? Or whatever, just sort of, agar maqsad strong nahi hota us movie ka, if the emotional incentive, the emotional content, as Bruce Lee says, if that's not strong enough, then it just becomes a showreel. Then you might as well type in Tiger Shroff showreel on YouTube and just, you'll get a list of things to see. You know, so
no,
I don't know, it could go either way.
So you've taken the youth by storm, and I think that's, you know, there's a lot of things that they love how you are as a person, and that hasn't happened too often. You know, a lot of people like characters, you know, but like they don't know Nawaz as a person. Really. They're just so into the character. They think that like they know, because they think like they know your dad. You know, I think your dad's had a lot to do with that.
A lot of goodwill, yeah, from my father.
A huge amount got transferred into you. You know,
right. I'm very lucky about that.
Does he watch your cinema as well? Does he manage to?
He does, but
what does he say?
He's a man of few words. He says bindas bidu and all that. You know how he is. You know.
Every single time, or what? I want to know this. So does he say anything apart from that?
He obviously won't.
What if he doesn't like something? What if he doesn't like something?
He wouldn't tell me anything. And I figure when he doesn't like something. I figure when he wants to just avoid that topic. But yeah.
You know, but I have to tell you something about Tiger. He's changed his dad's entire fitness regime, food regime, everything. And he goes, मेरे को कुछ मिलता नहीं है खाने के लिए, मेरे को ये खाना है, इधर salad खाते, इधर salad खाते. This is during Brothers what he told me. He said एक डब्बा मेरे को मिलता था, and he said वहाँ पे अक्षय जो मन में आए खा रहा है और मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. So you actually took charge of your dad's life in between.
A little bit.
2.5 years back.
Yeah, I mean it's the least I can do for him.
No, it's very important. I think he let go of himself completely.
Yeah.
And I think you've got him back on track also. Is there a lot of father-son situations that you have with you, like maybe through workouts or music or movies or something?
No, I'll tell you what happens. It's quite competitive sometimes in my household, you know.
Really?
एक टाइम था जब हम फैमिली लंचेस के लिए जाते थे, तो सब भीड़ भाड़ मेरे पापा की तरफ जाते थे. तो जब से मैं हीरो बन गया हूँ, अभी ऐसा हो रहा है 50-50 है. मैं पापा देख रहे हैं जिसके पास ज़्यादा लोग जा रहे हैं आजकल तो. So it's, you know, it feels good.
That is. So I'll tell you this story. When I came to Mumbai first, that time Sea Rock Hotel used to be there.
Oh yeah, of course.
So in 2002, one of the first places I went to eat some Chinese food was Sea Rock Hotel. And I walk in there. This is 2002 November. I still remember the date. I'm sitting. I didn't have any friends obviously. I was eating there, and I see one gentleman sitting right next to me. His banyan and blue jeans, and lots of people around him. And he's going, I'm going like this. So I was not a Bollywood person then, that much. And I hear this voice and I'm going, that sounds a lot like Jackie Shroff. And this is, and I'm looking, I'm going, he's just sitting like that in his banyan, and he's just chatting with everyone. And I'm going, this is amazing. So of course, there were very few like him at that time. It used to be his favorite restaurant. He used to go there a lot at that time.
Absolutely.
And I didn't have the courage to, us time selfie ka zamana nahi tha. But when I met him many years later, he of course behaved like, "Arey haan, main tumse mila tha." So this is what I always loved about him, that he hasn't changed at all. Have you met him?
I have.
Yeah, have you hung out with him for long?
A little bit at our rap party, and the only thing he said is, "Nidhi Biru, how's life treating you?" But I felt really special when he called me Bidu.
Man, he is what macho is, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Till today, we've all tried his shirt ka upar.
He's just the coolest person I think I've ever seen.
Yeah, he is. And you know, he doesn't try to be.
No.
It's just how he is, man. You know, so we used to all try to go, you know, his shirt khula rakhna with this little... It doesn't work, man. He just pulls it off better. Remember, Munna Michael it is. That's going to have some great dance sequences. Obviously, because we've got him here, but don't underestimate the lady in the middle.
Or the man on the left.
Yeah. No, he's the highlight. You know, it's like the 7-course meal has him. And, you know, and the thing is, and he doesn't make a joke out of it. He works very hard on that also. So, you know, there's a lovely video jo aapne dala hai abhi Facebook par, and him teaching. And I like how seriously you're teaching him as well also. So that's the beauty of it. So the first day, did you think of it as a challenge? Because you choreograph dance as well, and this as well. You know, you do a lot of that and action as well. So is there that extra teacher वाला pressure? Do you become like a teacher to him when you teach?
नहीं ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं, मेरी औकात नहीं है सर इनके सामने.
सर डांस में तो है सर.
नहीं
डांस में.
नहीं, I've just done my best to whatever little knowledge I had. I wanted to, you know, sort of make his life easier. But नवाज जी ये बहुत funny सा बात है. मुश्किल steps बहुत आसानी से कर पाते हैं.
अच्छा.
आसान step नहीं कर पाते. I don't know the reasoning. I don't know what the reasoning behind it. But there's a very complex footwork.
Yeah, I saw him do that very easily.
But you remember seeing him do that, right? So he does that.
Sir, he's like Sachin Tendulkar. Australia के साथ 100. Bangladesh के साथ you can't play, yaar. You can't do that. For a lot of our fans in Bangladesh, what I mean to say is basically that the team at that time was not so great. All right, Nidhi, when you come back in, anything difficult at all in front of the camera for you first time around?
Lots of things. I mean, it's not especially in front of the camera, but in general, just to perform, just to sort of, you know, you're so new to everything. I've never been on a set in my life.
And what did you think a set would be like? Let's put it that way.
I don't know, but I didn't know that sometimes you're reacting to nothing. You know, I didn't know that happens. Now when I watch a movie, I'm like, okay, this person is actually reacting to nothing.
Cardboard,
good
white
actor.
thermocol.
Good actor. In my head, I'm just like, good actor, yeah.
So did you find it a little tougher?
No, I just...
Than you thought?
It was a lot to learn suddenly. But yeah, it was tough. But now I think I'm good.
So in between sets, how was he and how was he? Was there a lot of serious talk and only obviously, see the thing is it's again a big problem. When you meet Tiger, you just feel like talking about fitness and dance and food, right? So is that what you were always talking about or what was it?
No, I think, you know, you get a lot of time sometimes in between shots and we're always just like laughing,
so what's the pastime on the set?
Pastime. I know, but Tiger's a really funny guy, so he's always,
So he's the court jester, is it?
Yeah, he's quite funny. So he's always cracking some jokes. And Nawaz is also very funny. You know, especially when we have group scenes, the atmosphere is really good on set.
So Nawaz isn't always cracking jokes. He's probably laughing at you all also. You all just don't know this.
That's possible,
He's very naughty and
that's possible.
He's a great chef as well. Has he ever cooked for you all?
No, we didn't know that.
सर की सारी कहानियां यहाँ पे हम खोल देंगे, but that's the truth. सेट पर खाना कैसा होता था? All healthy food or typical set food at times?
Sometimes not healthy. No.
Every now and then, I have a cheat day once a week. कभी-कभी cheat day से.
So what is the thing that you eat on a cheat day, Tiger? Like we have 4 gulab jamun, lots of cheese. Is yours half a gulab jamun?
No, it's a lot more actually.
Yeah.
Ice cream का कम से कम 10 scoop खा लेता हूँ मैं.
Really?
Yeah, 10 scoops of ice cream.
And can you validate that? Is he lying?
Yes. No, in Jordan, so we were shooting the love song. It was really cold. And how many did you have? 10 or 30? I keep forgetting.
So 30 throughout the day,
30,
but 10 at night.
Why would you have 30 in the day?
Because that's all they had for chocolates.
But
so
that's true. That's all they had. Yeah.
You know, that's a problem that you have. Nobody has 30 chocolates a day. So in that one day that you're doing so much.
I can't stop. When I start something, I can't stop.
Yeah. Really?
So that's.
And in spite of that, he looks like this. Even we should have 30 in a day. We'll reach here.
Once in like how many?
Once a week.
That's fine.
Once a week, yeah.
Toughest was emotional scenes tougher, the romantic scenes tougher, or was the dance and the action?
I think the dancing bit was tough because it's a dance film and
Obviously,
dance shoots don't happen in one day. They take like 4 days, lots of takes. It's really tiring. Your jewelry is like stitched on to your outfits and there's just a lot physically that happens. So I think dance was quite tough.
So no moments of doubt at all in the film?
Momentary moments of doubt.
Momentary moments of doubt, I like that. Now, Azbhai, this picture, can I say that this will be the most different film that you've done?
Absolutely.
Yeah? In your entire career, would you say that also?
Exactly.
So are you excited with that also? Because मैं आपको ना बड़े डार्क फिल्मों में जिंदगी भर से देखता हूँ. एक फ्रीक के लिए मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. एटलीस्ट थोड़ी सी कलरफुल थी. कुछ कलरफुल कपड़े पहन रखे थे आपने. इसमें would you say that this is the most colorful film also that you've done in your career? So और ऐसे करेंगे या फिर
अभी तो कहते हैं ना कि वो शेर को खून मुंह लग जाता है तो ऐसे लग गया, तो थोड़ा मैं ट्राई करूँ। और मैं भी अभी बहुत थोड़ा सा लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे रमन राघव फिल्म करके ना मुझे थोड़ा सा वो होने लगा था। मैंने कहा यार अब मेरा बहुत हो गया ये, अब थोड़ा सा
लाइटर वेन में करना है,
लाइट फिल्म में कीजिए। तो मैं
पर लाइट फिल्म में क्या उतनी कंसंट्रेशन रह पाती है क्या?
नहीं, फिल्म तो कोई भी उतने कंसंट्रेशन तो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ज़रूरी है। सब मतलब किसी भी चीज़ को आप लाइटली नहीं ले सकते।
I guess, but it happens also. You know, you have to tune yourself. You and Sabir sir have a great connection. Not too many people in the beginning of their career, 1 or 2 years, but not more than that. You know, so he understands the fact that he's got a good thing going with you as well. He's got a good thing going with the audiences. But there's a slightly larger connection in the two of you in that. Yeah.
I guess the more comfortable an actor and a director are with each other, it just makes life on set a lot easier.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, I'm sure we've seen examples like Rajkumar Hirani sir and Amir sir.
Yeah.
We've seen countless examples.
So were you
like Rakesh ji and Ritik
But were you involved behind the scenes as well?
No, really. I don't think I'm at that stage to tell somebody what to do. Of course, in the action sequences, dance sequences, I could say a thing or two.
Yeah.
But I just did my bit to my best capability, that's all, and did as honestly as I could. And thanks to this man, it was just so good for me as an actor to absorb and learn so much, because you have an encyclopedia in front of you, just an open book in front of you. You just have to keep absorbing.
And he's a teacher as well. He used to teach acting as well also. So I think the easiest thing for him to do is to teach us. Are you now going to say that this is, now that have you seen the film, that the audience can say, yes, now this is the different me that you wanted to see?
Yes.
Yeah, finally.
I have a second dimension.
But Tiger's amazing in the movie, I have to say that.
I don't see, so he's critic proof, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Because they just can't. So I saw a film, I think Baghi it was with children, and they, so I was just wanted to see that reaction. And children, when I say Chetna College children, they said, kya dance karta hai, kya action hai? Maine kaha acting. Are kya dance karta hai, kya action hai? And they're doing all this. You won them, it's toughest to win them, and once you do that, the whole family comes in. As the mathematics plays out, you always get the numbers. Thank you so much, buddy, for joining me.
Thank you.
And congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Take care. And I hate the fact that you call me sir. Because it's always going to be like that. We'll catch you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. And I want to see him and I want to see you and your dad in a film together.
Who would look at me then? What's the point?
No, because I think you'd end up bossing him.
You think so?
I think you'd end up being like the teacher. I have a feeling. We'll take a little break. Actually, no. We got to go. Bye-bye and take care.